तो यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न द थिंग्स कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मॉडल दे हैव अप्लाइड, उसको देख के पता चल जाना चाहिए कि यार ये कोरिलेशन आर आ रहा है और ये आर स्क्वायर आ रहा है, ये एडजस्टेड आर स्क्वायर आ रहा है। कुछ रिसर्च पेपर में देखेगा एडजस्टेड आर स्क्वायर से बड़ा लिखा हुआ है, लोग तो ऐसे लिख देते हैं, दे यूजुअली राइट दिस, सो यू विल बी एनालाइज दैट। सो दिस प्रेजेंटेशन विल हेल्प यू टू बी स्टैटिस्टिकली सिग्निफिकेंट, टू रीड दीज काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च पेपर्स, to find the errors of others. Whenever you review the research paper, जब आप रिव्यू करते हैं, तो instead of finding the grammatical errors or basically references, it would be much more better if you link your objective, hypothesis and analysis. और एनालिसिस ऐसा तो नहीं है, मोस्टली इस रिसर्च पेपर में 95% रिसर्च पेपर्स में व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, आई हैव रिव्यूड मोर देन 200 रिसर्च पेपर्स। सो मोस्टली रिसर्च पेपर्स में क्या होता है, दे डोंट कलेक्ट द डेटा, अपनी मर्जी से ऐसे ही चल रहा है, दूसरे का देखा उसमें चेंजेस करे बना दिया, बट वो स्टैटिस्टिकली ठीक है या नहीं है। अब ये सब सीखने के बाद, ये प्रेजेंटेशन देखने के बाद, यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न कि अगर आपको रिसर्च पेपर रिव्यू कर रहे हैं तो आप बता सकते हैं कि पहले बताओ मुझे आपका स्केल रिलायबल है या नहीं है, इसमें ये टेबल कैसे आया है, ये टेबल आया तो इसमें ये पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू कैसे आई है, क्योंकि ये वैल्यू ये आनी चाहिए थी। सो यू विल बिकम ए लर्नेड पर्सन लिटिल बिट। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अगेन विद द स्टोरी ऑफ मिस्टर बीन 10 एज द नेम गिवन बाय फासना मैम। सो our renowned faculty Mr. Bean Tan, who is now well versed in research, he has started doing research, अच्छा research करने आ गया, so he has got an opportunity to go to California and work in a company that is PK Pet Pickles. So he has started working over there in California in this company as a marketing manager. So when he joined over there as a marketing manager, he came to know that from the last 2 years, the sale is continuously decreasing, it's declining. So when data comes to him, he came to know that the sale is declining. So for that what he did, he has called the meeting of his team. Team की meeting को बुलाया and then discussed with them what are the reason for decline in the sale. Now team has helped him. टीम ने कैसे हेल्प करी, टीम ने हेल्प करी इस तरीके से, उनको बताया कि व्हाट आर द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल ऑन विच द सेल हेयर डिपेंड्स। बेसिकली वो कौन से इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है जिनके ऊपर सेल्स डिपेंड करती है, प्रेफरेंसेस, टेस्टेज, इनकम ऑफ फैमिली, एरिया, सेल्स पर्सन, होलसेलर, प्रॉफिट मार्जिन। उन्होंने कुछ गिने चुने इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स बता दिए जिनका इंपैक्ट सेल्स के ऊपर है। So Mr. Bean Tan has thought of, now I will study all these independent factors to predict the sales and boost up the sales with the help of regression analysis. He has started doing research and I will apply the regression analysis and find out which is the most independent factor, what are the most independent factors that will help me in boosting the sale of the organization. So he has started studying these. So let's start with this regression analysis. थोड़ा सा core mathematical concept है and its core research is also, but I tried to make it simple कि उतना ही पढ़े हम जितनी हमें requirement है. We don't study, we don't share the things. Core mathematics नहीं पढ़ना, core mathematics share नहीं करना. We just study the things which is of use for us in simple research. So if we talk about this regression help us to predict one variable from another. कोई एक वेरिएबल दे दिया, उसकी हेल्प से हम कुछ और दूसरा वेरिएबल प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं. दैट इज योर रिग्रेशन. दैट मीन्स प्रेडिक्टिंग वन वेरिएबल फ्रॉम अनदर वेरिएबल. Now in order to understand this line, this regression helps us to predict one variable from another. Let's take a simple example of household expenditure on food item. Now this we have to find with the help of independent variable, the income of the family and the size of the family. Now here we can find the expenses on this household expenditure on food item with the help of, this is my dependent variable, food items, dependent variable, and we have independent variables, income and the size of the family. This we can find with the help of these. So this is the essence of regression. With the help of regression, you can find the value of any dependent variable with the help of independent variable, one or more independent variable. This is the essence of regression analysis. Now regression analysis is a way of predicting. अब थोड़ी सी टर्म्स ध्यान से सुनते जाना. It's a way of predicting the dependent variable or outcome variable. अब dependent variable को मैंने दूसरा नाम क्या दे दिया? Outcome variable is the way of predicting the outcome variable from one or more dependent variables or predictor variables. Dependent variables or predictor variables. Now if you are using regression, if you are predicting the outcome variable from one predictor variable, that is called your simple regression. And if you are predicting the outcome variable from one or more predictor variables, that is called multiple regression. I think it's clear up till here. So this regression is incredibly useful tool because it allows us to go a step beyond the data we have collected. So इसका सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है? जो डेटा हमारा है ना, उसकी हेल्प से हम और आगे सोच सकते हैं. We can predict the future. कैसा होगा, क्या होगा? So this regression help us. Now let's study it with the help of a simple example, simple equation of regression. Now this simple regression of equation is outcome equal to model plus error. Outcome equal to model plus error. This just means that the outcome that we are trying to predict for a particular person can be predicted whatever model we apply plus some kind of error. Now the model we apply over here in regression is linear. That means we summarize the data set in a straight line. तो जब हम रिग्रेशन की बात करेंगे तो हमारा मॉडल हमेशा क्या होगा? लीनियर. दैट विल बी लीनियर. वी विल समराइज द डेटा सेट इन लीनियर. नाउ if we talk about more about linear regression, this linear regression attempts to model the relationship between two variables by fitting a linear equation to the observed data. Now we have some observed data. We are having some observed data. What linear regression did? Firstly, it find the relation. We find the relationship between the two variables. पहले हम दोनों variables में relationship निकालते हैं. जैसे एक dependent हो गया, एक independent हो गया. Dependent is our predictor, outcome variable, and independent variable is our predictor variable. Firstly, we find the relationship between them. Relationship कैसे निकालते हैं हम? Jyoti has taken that topic correlation. तो firstly we find the correlation between both the variables. अगर दोनों variables में correlation होता है, association होता है, then only we fit a line of regression in that data. जो fit of line हम लगाते हैं उससे we can find the regression. अब कैसे करेंगे वो मैं बताऊंगा. One variable is considered to be an explanatory variable and the other is considered to be a dependent variable. अब एक और टर्म आ गई, explanatory variable. Explanatory variable किसको कहा गया है यहाँ पर? Independent variable. So one variable is considered to be an explanatory variable and the other is considered to be a dependent variable. Now before attempting to fit a linear model to observe data, a modeler should first determine whether or not there is a relationship between the variables of interest. Now before fitting a line, before fitting a model to your data, what firstly you have to do? You have to find, is there any relationship between both the things or not? भाई हम दो चीजों में रिग्रेशन निकाल रहे हैं, आप कुछ चीज प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं उनके रिलेशनशिप से, तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इज देयर एनी एसोसिएशन बिटवीन देम और नॉट. अगर एसोसिएशन ही नहीं है तो मॉडल का क्या यूज है? There is no use of the model. So this does not necessarily imply that. अब ये देखो ध्यान से, one variable causes the other, but that there is some significant association between the two variables. क्या मतलब है इस लाइन का? Can anybody explain? This does not necessarily imply that one variable causes the other. थोड़ा सा theoretical है, थोड़ा सा theoretical part है, फिर आगे उसको practically समझाऊंगा.
Correlation doesn't guarantee any relationship.
Yes, correlation doesn't guarantee any relationship. Now if I talk about, so one more thing over here. In order to understand the relationship between two variables, the most important tool is your scatter diagram, जो कि आपने correlation में करा था. Scatter diagram is useful in predicting the relationship or the degree of association between two variables. And for that we should know, we measure the correlation of regression between, coefficient of correlation between two variables, and the value of coefficient of correlation must be lying between -1 and 1, so that we can know the association between the two variables. Now if I talk about this regression model is of two types, linear and non-linear. So linear model, a linear model that assumes the relationship between variables are straight line relationship. When you are having a straight line relationship between the predictor variable and the outcome variable, then you say that it's a linear model. जब दोनों में linear relationship आएगा, straight line आएगा, like for example a return on an individual stock with that of return on the market, that line will be a linear. Okay, then a non-linear model assumes the relationship between variables are represented by curved lines. जब curved lines आएंगी, यानी कि example demand and price, that is a curvilinear graph, curve form में होता है, so that is an example of non-linear model. So in order to study this regression, or in order to analyze the regression things through regression, in order to predict the outcome variable, the very first step analysis is your scatter plot. That is the first thing. So if you look at this data is of a 1 year, December. Sales is given over here and advertisement expense is given over here. Now these are the two variables, sales and advertising. One is dependent and another is independent. कौन सा dependent है इसमें? Sales is dependent and advertising dollars is independent. So sale is the outcome variable and this is predictor variable. इसका scatter diagram बनाना आता है? I think you can easily construct it. करा था last session में, Miss Jyoti has already told you, and you all know the ways of constructing this scatter diagram. Will come out with this. Scatter diagram में हमेशा x axis पे जो आएगा that will be your independent variable, और यहाँ पर आपका आएगा dependent variable. So this is the scatter diagram between the advertisement and sales. Now from this scatter diagram we can analyze that there is a positive relationship between advertisement expenses and the sales. There is a positive relationship because it's sloping upward. So there is a positive association between advertisement expenses and the sales. Now in order to find it in some values, कितना है, क्या निकालेंगे हम उसके लिए, कौन सा मेजर फाइंड करेंगे? No, कितनी वैल्यू एसोसिएशन के लिए, डिग्री ऑफ एसोसिएशन के लिए? अभी करा है आपने एक दिन पहले. वी विल फाइंड द